Hello everyone, I'm Idris from Nigeria. In this project, I display the functionality of my CS50 project, that's the search project 0, a Google website that is to consist of a minimum of 3 pages. Now here we have 3 pages. This is where we are presently, the first page, the Google search page, and at the top right corner of the Google search page of this project, we have the Google image search link that takes us to the Google image search page of the project, and the Google advanced search link that takes us to the Google advanced search page of the project. Let's see that. We click on the link, it takes us to the Google image search, and we click on the Google advanced search link, it takes us to the Google advanced search page. Now on the Google search page, we have the input text with rounded corners required by specification. You can see that it's have the rounded corner, and the button are located beneath the input field, and they're centralized, as you can see. So when the user type in any text query and click on the Google search button, it takes us to the Google search page of the text query. As you see here, this is the Google search page for rock. Now let's go back to let's move on to the Google image search page. You click on the link here. On the Google, now we are on the Google image search page of the project. At the top right corner, we have a link that takes us back to the Google search page of the project. Google search page of the project. We click on this, it takes us to the Google search page, as you can see. Now on the Google image search page, we have an input text field with rounded corners, as you can see, rounded corner, and the search button located beneath the text field, also centralized on the page, as you can see. So when the user type in a text query, let's type in the rock and click on the Google image search, it takes us to the Google image search of the text query. As you can see, this is the Google image search page of rock as entered on the Google image search page of the project. Now let's go back to our project. Now let's go back to the Google image search. Let's go back to the Google search page, the first page. Now we move on to the Google advanced search page by clicking on this link. Here we are on the Google advanced search page of the project. This is the third page of the project, and here we have 4 input fields that are stacked vertically on one another, and the labels, they are left aligned, and you can see these are the find pages. All this is that word or phrase, and all the rest, they are left aligned. You can see they are left aligned. Beneath the page, we have the advanced search button with a blue background and white text as required by the specification. You see that. And on the top right corner, we have the Google search link. When we click on this, it takes us back to the search page, the Google search page of the project. Let's do that. We are back on the Google search page of the project. When the user type in a text query and click on this button, I'm feeling lucky button, it takes us to the first option of the Google search page. Let's do that. As you see here, this is the first option of the Google search page by clicking on the I'm feeling lucky button. Now let's talk about the aesthetic of this project. As you will notice, the aesthetics resemble that of the normal Google website. When we click, we see that the border of the input turns to blue. That resemble the aesthetic of the normal Google website. You see, when we move our button, we move the mouse on the buttons, you see that the border turns to blue. Now let's go to the image search. The same thing on the image search page of the project. You see, you click, the border turns to blue, and just like the normal Google image search page, likewise the advanced search page, the aesthetics, just like the normal Google advanced search page. That's all for the project. Thank you for watching.